Akili Kids World.
In a small, vibrant village nestled between rolling hills and golden savannas, there stood a majestic baobab tree. The villagers believed it was no ordinary tree, but a magical one filled with stories and wisdom from ages past. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, children would gather around the tree to listen to tales told by Mzee Jomo, the village elder. The baobab tree's branches stretched wide, as if embracing the stories shared beneath its shade. One day, the villagers noticed something strange. The baobab tree, which had always been lush and green, began to wither. Its leaves turned brown, and its branches drooped. The villagers were worried. They believed that if the tree died, the magic and wisdom it held would be lost forever. A young girl named Amani loved the baobab tree dearly. She had grown up listening to its stories and couldn't bear to see it in such a state. Determined to save the tree, Amani decided to seek out the tree's secret and restore its life. Amani embarked on a journey through the forests and hills, visiting wise animals who lived in harmony with nature. First, she met an old tortoise named Mzipa, who told her that the tree needed the love and care of the entire village to thrive. Next, Amani visited the swift river where she met Rafiki the fish, who told her that water from the river, poured with kindness, could help the tree regain its strength. But remember, Rafiki said, it's the love and care that will make the water truly magical. With the advice of the wise animals, Amani returned to her village. She gathered all the children and told them what she had learned. Together, they brought water from the river, and with every drop, they shared stories, sang songs, and poured their love into the tree. As the water touched the roots of the baobab tree, something magical happened. The tree began to glow with a warm light. Its leaves turned green once more, and its branches stretched high towards the sky. The baobab tree was alive again. From that day on, the baobab tree flourished like never before. The villagers continued to gather around it, sharing stories and wisdom, knowing that it was their love and unity that kept the magic of the baobab tree alive. And so, the baobab tree stood tall